So today I'm going to bring you along as I'm foraging a plant that you may not think of eating. It's not a wild plant, but something that you're going to see in your garden, and that is the hosta plants. So whatever variety of hosta you have, it is edible. In the summer, we know this gets to be a beautiful, big, lush plant. But in the spring is when the new shoots are just coming up, and this is what you can eat. So we are going to pick some of these today. We're going to cook them up. They are totally edible and totally delicious. So these are the Hosta Shoots that are ready to be eaten. We see some up here. These are too far gone. They've unfurled too much. So it's the tight ones that we want, like these. So you're just going to take your knife, go in at the base, and cut right there. And that's what you're going to be picking. So you can cut up to 1/3 of the hosta plant without it damaging your plant. So if you're like me, I have hostas all over my yard, so I just go to each one and take some. But you can take quite a bit without worrying about hurting your plant. And like with anything, when you're foraging, even if it is in your own yard, make sure that it's safe. There's no pesticides being sprayed around them. So we're just going to give these a quick rinse off. Make sure there's no dirt on them. Going to cook our hosta shoots. We're going to put in our avocado oil. You can use olive oil if you like. So just test your oil to make sure it's up to heat. So it's looking good. We'll lay those in there and we're going to sear these off. You see these are starting to get some color on them. Gonna add some salt and pepper to this. And then I'm just gonna finish it. I have some chive blossom compound butter that I made last year, a little bit less, so I'm just gonna put that in. You don't need this, just use regular butter if you don't have this. And that's all there is to cooking your shoots. So here they are cooked. They're really delicious. I would have to say the flavor and texture is kind of like an asparagus. Not quite as dense. It's more delicate than that, but very good. So I hope you give these a try.